Give them some bread in it, these crew members.
Who to let know? Do you want to ring some press?
Grab the enemy. Captain Mohammed Faraj, wait, Mohammed Faraj. Mohammed Faraj. Mohammed. Chief Mohammed Faraj.
The captain is run amok, going crazy. The ramp of the back of the ship has been lifted to the point that the vehicle is getting ready to slam down to the deck. He continues to lift the ramp. There he is. That's him. The ship is he's broken lines on the dock. Ropes have snapped. He's just going crazy in the harbor. Here we go! Here we go! Another ship. He's just rammed into the dock. And he's just dragging the ship all the way along the dock, all the way along the dock. He's just completely running amok.
He's breaking the boat. Look. He's breaking the boat.
Get down, get down, get down.
Go. راحت فيها حي واطي هذا
He's doing some serious damage. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Whoa. Look at that. Look.
How many Johnny's on the boat? What is he doing? He's not mad. مجنون.
look.
ماشي شوف. طلعوا عليه. These are, I've probably never seen anything like this in my life.
probably got his prop there. He's now rammed it rear stern of the ship into the dock. Who knows if he's hit the prop? He's gone completely nuts. There's a dock over there. There's the absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Get ready!
Hold on tight! Oh my, today the whole boat is gonna
Fucking A, man. Wow.
They're smashing him up!
Yeah. He's just dragging it along the...
Oh my god. I mean, look! يا سليمان تو قدر تخبى اصحى بس
No, I gotta get, it's okay.
يا سليمان يا ابو تميم يا سليمان بسرعة هاتي كابتن عطية ولا يتصل بالعميد عامر. وين كابتن عطية وين؟ لا كابتن عطية.
What's that?
كابتن عطية. قول له مدير الإدارة قال كلمني على وجه السرعة. أعطيه تليفون العميد عامر. مدير الإدارة قال كلمني على وجه السرعة. مدير الإدارة قال لك كلمني على وجه السرعة. لا المشاحن بتاعي كمال. خذ التليفون من مفتاح وين مفتاح؟ يا سليمان دور التليفون العميد عامر اعطيه تو بسرعة يا ريس.
Completely. He's rammed the dock again. He's done some serious damage, port and starboard side. He's been ripping concrete off the dock. Incredible. Wow, he's dragging it. Wow. Whoa. Oh my God. That is damage. That is serious damage. He could easily be taken on water. The captain has now taken us out of the harbor after ramming into the dock several times. I don't know where he's gone, but even the police know he's crazy at this point. So here we are. This is one long journey to Gaza. Different plane? Is that the same one?
No, there's two of them, man. One that lands in the
Yeah, that's a green one, yes.
That's the reconnaissance, gives it the coordinations.
Поставили машину. We have a 1216.
7 British nationals, 2 Irish nationals, and an Algerian national. We are being forcefully taken against our will to a port with which we do not know. We request urgent assistance, immediate assistance. Over.
Yes, so far this is all field open. I have relayed your position to the NATO warship. This is NATO warship. Can you continue to stay in the area because we don't have the communication with the strongest four. Officer, I will call my captain over. Okay, sir. So far this 4, this is all field open.
This is Strofados 4, over. Red State.
According to the NATO warship, they are about 200 miles from your vessel and heading on the way now, over.
He's on red, boy. No, I need to do that. Offshore. This way! There! There!
Hey, we need to get under stuff. Are we going down? Hey, Mustafa! I'll go down.
Take out! Hey! Rui! Top's coming from this side, look! Hey, Rui! Give me a hand. This side. We're going to open it. I'm going to push it straight down. Come, David. Close it.